I'm Mark Stein. I'm the Chief Quality Officer at Seir Motors. This is my 34th year in the automotive industry. Learning about the enormous impact of Saudi Vision 2030 and Seir igniting an industry in this country was a once-in-a-lifetime experience that I was really excited to join. When I saw the product plans, I just thought, wow, who wouldn't want to be a part of bringing these cars and this brand to market? And then last, but by no means least, was the opportunity to visit, to live in and explore the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the surrounding region. Despite having traveled extensively, this region is totally new to me and my family. We're really enjoying getting to know and enjoy the country, the people, the sights and the sounds, and so far we're absolutely loving it. Quality in automotive, it's not just about a department or a group of specialists who've only ever worked in quality, but quality really is and has to be a culture or a mindset and a common cause built upon some really strong cross-functional processes, because everyone plays a part in ensuring quality, whether it's the ultimate goal of delivering a car to a customer, or within an organization like Seir, quality is providing a quality output to an internal colleague or client. And if everyone adopts the mindset of don't accept a problem, don't produce a problem, or don't pass on a problem, then every process will deliver quality. And ultimately then the final customer will get a product that exceeds their expectation. I've applied this philosophy throughout my career, ever since I first moved into a quality role. And that's the mindset we're driving at Seir. Everything everyone does should be for a customer. Our team is bringing Seir products to the market at the highest possible levels of customer satisfaction, while in parallel growing Saudi local talent, which of course is a core tenet of the Seir long-term strategy. Within quality, we're now at approximately 30% Saudi nationalization, and that figure will continue to grow as we attract and develop great talent from across the kingdom. Two great examples of local talent are Yahya, who's part of the manufacturing quality team based in the plant in Cake, north of Jeddah, and Al Jahara, who's our first female quality engineer and works in supplier quality. They're two super examples of highly qualified, highly motivated, passionate individuals who've chosen Seir as the right place to further their own careers and forward the development of the automotive sector.
معكم يحيى الشهري، مهندس اعتماد ومراقبة عمليات في شركة سير. شغفي بقطاع الصناعة بمختلف مجالاته وجهني لدراسة الهندسة الصناعية والنظم. اكتسبت خبرة 2 في التميز التشغيلي، إدارة وتحسين العمليات بمجال صناعة شواحن السيارات الكهربائية. ويعتبر أحد أهم القطاعات الصناعية والأسرع نمواً على مستوى العالم. أحد أهم مسؤولياتنا في فريق الجودة إنه نضمن أن تكون سياراتنا مطابقة لأعلى معايير الجودة من خلال عملنا في بناء منظومة متكاملة مع مختلف الإدارات، بحيث يتم جمع وتحليل البيانات لضمان جودة واستمرارية الأعمال في مصنع سير.
Quality function is a true end-to-end function spanning the whole vehicle development process. And at Seir, we have 5 basic core pillars of quality, and that includes product development quality, supplier quality, quality test and validation, manufacturing quality, and finally customer quality, customer experience. Product development quality, this starts with the earliest phase of product concept, and we set program quality targets, we establish product attributes, we track and assess the program quality readiness throughout the development of the car, right up to the start of production. Supplier quality works hand in hand with both engineering and procurement in particular, to assess and nominate the best component suppliers we can find, both globally and locally. Quality testing and validation is the key to a successful launch and the key to delivering cars to the customers that exceed their expectations. So we're designing, engineering, testing and validating and launching and producing these wonderful cars in Saudi, with Saudi and GCC customers, environment and road conditions at the forefront of our development plans. No one else has done that. That's why we'll have carried out more than 2 million kilometers of testing on both local roads and local test tracks, as well as using the most demanding test tracks across multiple locations, including Spain and Austria, amongst others. Manufacturing quality is the voice of the customer in the manufacturing plant, and they manage everything from traditional internal process quality inspection to finished vehicle auditing and testing to laboratory testing. But another key role, equally important, is they're at the center of all problem-solving and continuous improvement initiatives for quality inside of manufacturing. Customer quality and experience is the last quality pillar, And this team works very closely with our commercial and after-sales functions. We're designing and building best-in-class IT systems to ensure we're prepared and ready to handle any and all issues that might arise in the market. And we want to be ready to respond in the quickest possible way. Customer quality has also been the source of customer requirements from across the globe based on real customer experience with our competitor automakers, and has been fed into the product development teams, which truly shows the end-to-end closed-loop quality function. And as I mentioned earlier, quality starts inside an organization and is a mindset and a culture, and that's what we're embracing at Seir. The customer is always the priority, and that includes our internal colleagues and customers of our output at all levels. We have a hugely experienced team within Seir quality function, made up right now of approximately 17 nationalities who've worked in more than 20 different automotive companies. My direct report team have an average of more than 25 years each in automotive, and we're leveraging all that experience and learning to build a world-class quality department and to instill world-class quality processes and disciplines across the entire organization. We will bring to market amazing Seir cars that will both excite, inspire and amaze our customers, but more importantly, will surpass all expectations of ownership. That's our goal, that's our mission, our promise, and we will deliver on that promise.